Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Block Sport. Today I'm revisiting the keying knob that I couldn't get off at the commercial premises. This one I have to show you is a commercial one. I had to pick it, as Paul Springett said, anti-clockwise, and then I was able to depress this little wafer. Can you see it? This thing in here. Look, just there. Depress that down and that's going to pop out. So we're going to find out together what's in it. It's pretty old and crusty. Try and fix the camera. I should just zoom out, that's easier. No, that's in. That's out. There we go. So I don't know what sort of keyway that is, but it's not a C4. And it's got some words written on it, some letters, so it's probably master keyed. So according to things, this should just pop out now, will it? Hello, how'd you come? Maybe? Oh, are you kidding me? How's that come out? Has that got an inner? Okay, it's got an inner thing. Has it? Oh. Nope. The mystery continues. Okay, the end cap comes off. Should just slide out, shouldn't it? Maybe it's bent. That's weird. Still looks like it's stuck in there. Does this come out? Oh yes. Here we go. Okay, not the easiest. And of course I don't have my pliers with me because I didn't think I'd need them. Okay, that's off. Is it going to come out now? Yes. Aha! Very cool. Alright. Bit dirty. Did you get that? Got a C-clip on the back. Don't look it up. it wants to lock up. Let's get that in there. Let's take out my light. Let's go with screwdriver. Flathead would be good. Oh, nearly did it. Oh, this one's a tough one. Can keep sliding around and around. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, here it comes. Okay, that's not the right way to go. There we go. Oh, finally. Okay, now shim it. That's a weird one. Try and find a hollow follower. Maybe this one will fit. Maybe it's too big. Yep, that's too big. Okay. Which way are the pins up? Wait a minute. Did I just lock it up? No. Oh, that's tight. Oh, that's got a world of bits, hasn't it? Look at that. Now that's some construction holes. So that's what that's got. Wow. Okay. Let's dump them out. Okay, that's wafer. Well, they're all just coming out, why not? Whoa, tiny little minute little balls. Oh, I've never seen those before. They're tiny, and really racy. Okay, magnetic too. Wow, okay, that's really interesting. Okay, that's what we had in there. That is very interesting. Okay, so let's go upstairs, and we're just going to dump these out. Wow, the springs still look brand new. The drivers are interesting. We've got a halfway line to them. There we go. That's what's in that. That is a commercial key knob with a, I don't know what keyway. It's got a 2 and a 0 on it. I'll zoom in on this keyway. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I've followed all of Paul Springett's instructions on how to get this off. I'm very happy I've finally been able to do it. So next time I'm out on a demo site, I'll be able to at least have half a chance. So thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.